Hello and welcome to NCTV episode 71, which is all about gratitude. Over the past decade, psychologists have not only identified the great social, psychological and physical health benefits that have come from giving thanks, they've zeroed in on some concrete practices that help you to reap those benefits. One of the most popular practices is to keep a gratitude journal or diary. The simple act of writing down the things for which we are grateful can have benefits including better sleep, fewer symptoms of illness, and more happiness amongst kids and adults alike. The basic practice is straightforward. In many of these studies, people are simply instructed to record 5 things that they've experienced in the past week for which they are grateful. The entries are supposed to be brief, just a single sentence, and they range from the mundane, waking up this morning, to the sublime, such as winning the lottery, or even to the timeless, such as the Rolling Stones. However, not everyone has found it to be helpful, and if you're one of them, some tips might be to try subtraction instead of addition. One effective way of stimulating gratitude is to reflect on what your life would be like without certain blessings, rather than just tallying up all the good things. Also, be sure to savour the surprises and record the unexpected, as these tend to elicit stronger levels of gratitude. And lastly, don't overdo it. If you find daily writing is too much, then simply do it once or twice a week. Gratitude is really about forcing yourself to pay attention to the good things in life you'd otherwise take for granted. So relish and savour your entries rather than just hurry through them like you're writing a grocery list. It's performed in written form because this helps you to organise your thoughts and in essence allows you to see the meaning of events going on around you to create meaning in your own life. For some inspiration, here are 10 ways to become more grateful. 1. As mentioned, keep a gratitude journal and establish a daily practice in which you remind yourself of the good things that you enjoy. Gratitude could be associated with ordinary events, your personal attributes, or valued people in your life. 2. Remember the bad. To be grateful in your current state, it's helpful to remember the hard times that you experienced. When you remember how difficult life used to be and how far you've come, you set up an explicit contrast in your mind, and this contrast is fertile ground for gratefulness. 3. Ask yourself 3 questions. Using the meditation technique known as NICAN, the questions to reflect upon are: what have I received? What have I given? And what troubles and difficulties have I caused? 4. Learn prayers of gratitude. In many spiritual traditions, prayers of gratitude are considered to be the most powerful form of prayer because through these prayers, people recognise the ultimate source of all they are and all they will ever be. 5. Come to your senses. Through our senses, the ability to touch, smell, taste and hear, we gain an appreciation of what it means to be human and what an incredible miracle it is to be alive. Seen through the lens of gratitude, the human body is not only a miraculous construction but also a gift. 6. Use visual reminders because the 2 primary obstacles to gratefulness are forgetfulness and a lack of mindful awareness. Visual reminders can serve as cues to trigger thoughts of gratitude. Often the best visual reminders are other people, photographs, trinkets or keepsakes. 7. Make a vow to practice gratitude. Research shows that making an oath to perform a behaviour increases the likelihood that the action will be executed. Therefore, write your own gratitude vow, which could be as simple as I vow to count my blessings every day, and post it somewhere where you'll be reminded about it every day. 8. Watch your language. Grateful people, have a particular linguistic style that uses words such as gifts, givers, blessed, fortunate, and abundance. In gratitude, you should not focus on how inherently good you are, but rather on how inherently good things that others have done on your behalf. 9. Go through the motions. If you go through grateful motions, the emotion of gratitude should be triggered. Grateful motions include smiling, saying thank you, and writing letters of gratitude. And finally 10, think outside the box. If you want to make the most of opportunities to flex your gratitude muscles, you must creatively look for new situations and circumstances in which you feel grateful. So that concludes today, and I look forward to seeing you again next time for some more bite-sized bits to help your health flourish. Bye bye for now.